Right then, thought I'd take these off and have a look, because I've had an idea how to fix these and I think it's the best idea there is. So let's just do some of that. So here's how we're going to fix them. That can go in there, that can go in there. There, they're fixed. See, that looks so much better without those. But what we're actually going to do is put these little beauties on. Look at them. And I suspect these are off the same V65 Magna as the other pieces I've been buying. These again came from Two Wheel Spares on eBay. Who, I mentioned the other day, I said I've been buying lots of parts from two places. Turns out it's the same place. So DK Motorcycles is Two Wheel Spares. But yep, these came from Two Wheel Spares again. They are such a great source of parts. So yeah, oh, and these magically appeared, so let's get those on as well. See, we're adding shiny bits. This is how you make bikes better. You just add shiny bits and remove rusty bits. There, how much better is that? Why would you ever want to take those off? They just look right. The other ones just looked wrong, and they dripped oil all over my deck. So back to those ones, proper V65 Magna ones. They look awesome, and added some shiny bits of chrome up front. So look, that just, I don't know what shape those other ones were supposed to be, but the, you know, the clues in the headlight, those mirrors look right. So that's that bit done, and my new front tyres just turned up, so let's go get that put on and see if we can get that puncture repaired at the same time, and then we can get the wheels back on. Right then, a couple of little things we've managed to get done. I'm missing the chrome cap for this. I think I've got one somewhere, but got that broken bolt. Well, didn't actually get that broken bolt out of there, ended up drilling it and tapping it, but anyway, that's done, apart from being missing that little cap. And then front end looks all even all of a sudden. I don't know what happened just here, because this perfect indicator's always been like that, but indicators all work now, and I didn't have an accident and knock the bike over and smash one. Never happened, can't prove a thing. And then on to the bad news. Have you ever seen anything like this? This is disgusting. I don't know what this is. I think judging by the colour of some of it, it could just be slime. That green gooey stuff that you put in tyres to stop them from going down. But yeah, whatever it is, I took them to Kobe Kawasaki and they just laughed after they took the tyres off and went, yeah, you can clean them up. So I brought them back to do that. We can have a look inside this one as well now. This is the back one. I don't know, see, I don't know what this is. Why is it that colour? It's not aluminium oxide, whatever it is. So yeah, we could possibly harvest that. I'm sure it's an illicit narcotic. Maybe that's it. Maybe it was used for smuggling green drugs. It is absolutely hideous in there. So I'm going to clean those up, I think. And I'm saying that because the other bit of news is that back tyre. Yeah, I was kind of curious to see if it could be repaired without screwing it, but I think given this they've said no. So that's the back tyre. Now I'm getting into those realms. Might be worth sourcing some better wheels. Let's see what happens. negotiating, and bought it for 75 quid. Love that, crossed out, best offer accepted. So that's the rear wheel, sorry, that's the front wheel, and let's have a look. Well, basically 75 quid each. There's the rear wheel. Oop. So my thinking here, when they told me that the rear tyre with the screw in it couldn't be repaired, I went looking, and basically the cheapest, not the cheapest, but the cheapest recognisable name tyre was going to be about 162 quid. And back to the same people again, two wheel spares. I'm guessing this is off the same V65 Magna that the springs and that exhaust can came off. Yep, we bought some new wheels. Well, we bought some used wheels, but chrome looks good on them. The rear wheel has got a usable tyre on it, and the front wheel needs a replacement tyre, which I've already got. So it was actually cheaper to get a wheel with a usable tyre on it and get two wheels without me needing to clean up whatever that green stuff is on those wheels. So that's the plan. Job done.